In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take payment on the SumUp app. To get started, open the SumUp Business app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. Before you try to charge a customer, make sure your profile has been verified and that your payment setup is fully completed. This is important because if anything is missing in your account setup, it can slow things down when you're ready to accept a payment. Once you're inside the app, go to the checkout section. This is where you'll prepare the sale. Enter the amount you want to charge the customer, or if you already have products saved in your catalog, you can select the product directly instead. Using the catalog can be helpful if you want to keep pricing consistent and make checkout faster. Next, review the payment amount carefully. Double check that the price is correct before moving forward. If your account has tipping enabled, you can also add an optional tip at the stage. When everything looks right, tap Charge to begin the payment process. Now you'll choose how the customer wants to pay. If you're using a SumUp card reader, connect your SumUp Air, Solo, or another compatible reader and wait for it to pair properly. Once it's connected, ask the customer to insert, swipe, or tap their card, depending on the card type and reader being used. If you're accepting payment directly on your phone, select Tap to Pay. Then ask the customer to hold their contactless card or mobile wallet near your phone. Keep the device steady and wait for the confirmation to appear. At this point, the customer can complete the payment using supported methods such as a contactless card, a chip card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other payment options available in your region. The exact options may vary depending on where you are and what your SumUp account supports. After the customer presents their card or device, wait for the app to confirm the result. You're looking for the message that says payment successful. Until you see that confirmation, do not remove the card or move the device away too early because that can interrupt the transaction. Once the payment goes through, you'll have the option to send a receipt. Tap Send Receipt if the customer wants one, then enter their email address or phone number. If they don't need a receipt, you can simply skip that step and continue. Finally, if you want to review the payment afterward, open the Sales or Transactions section in the SumUp app. There, you can check completed payments, refunds, and payout details. That's how to take payment on the SumUp app from start to finish.